capital of the world. Most people walking down Main Street today have no idea that 120 years ago, they would have been standing at the center of a global industry. In the late 1800s, Orange, New Jersey was a global powerhouse and the hat capital of the world. Not metaphorically, literally. Within a 20-block radius in the Valley neighborhood, more than 30 factories operated day and night. Nearly 5 million hats were produced every year, at a time when the city's population barely reached 25,000. If you saw a finely crafted fedora in London, Paris, or San Francisco in 1892, there was a real chance it was stamped Orange Made. Even the Stetson name traces its early roots here before moving to Philadelphia. Orange wasn't a small town, it was a global signal. The library, a temple of knowledge. Right in the heart of town sits the Orange Public Library, also known as the Stickler Memorial. This isn't just a place for books, it's an architectural masterpiece designed by McKim, Mead, and White, the same guys who built the original Penn Station in NYC and the East Wing of the White House. With those massive Ionic columns and Beaux Arts style, it was built to show the world that Orange wasn't just an industrial town, it was a center of culture and high society learning. The presidential and industrial giants. Orange has a gravity that pulled in the biggest names in American history. The Colgate family, yes, the toothpaste and soap titans, didn't just work here. They helped build the fabric of the city, from the schools to Colgate Park, creating a beautiful, planned feel in the middle of the urban bustle. And then there's the Bush family. Long before Texas, the Bushes were orange people. Samuel Prescott Bush, the president's great-grandfather, was born right here at Brick Church. When President George W. Bush visited in 2003, he wasn't just visiting a random NJ town. He was returning to the birthplace of his family's American journey. Orange has always had gravity. Orange Park, the Olmsted jewel. To top it all off, we have Monty Irvin Orange Park. Designed by the Olmsted brothers, the same legendary team behind Central Park, it was one of the first county parks in the entire country. It was engineered to be a green lung for the city, taking marshy land and turning it into a winding, scenic escape. Whether you're walking through Seven Oaks or hanging out in the valley, you feel that small-town vibe because Orange was designed to be special. It's a city of firsts, a city of titans, a city that once shaped global style, and forever, the Hat City.